Okay, so the next step is going to be actually set up your shipping. So you're basically going to be passing this shipping off to the customer, to the buyer. That's typical. Typically, when you buy anything, you have to pay for the shipping, and then if they return it, they have to pay for the shipping as well. So you actually want to make sure that you always accept returns. Okay, if there's something wrong with your product, just click this box. Your buyer has to contact you within 14 days. Okay, that's the return policy, and then you can include that in your description as well. But basically, they'll have to pay for the return, shipping, and send it to you. So you can tell them exactly how long the handling time is going to be. Okay, so depending on what they pay for shipping, you can include different options for them. If they want it fast, they can pay for faster shipping. If you know that you're only going to that you're not going to get around to it for a couple of days, and then depending on what they pay, let's say they pay for. If you know that you're not going to get around to it for a couple of days, then maybe just tell them 4 business days. Just let them know. And there's a shipping calculator here that you can figure out. That'll help you figure out exactly. But you can basically choose the shipping. Okay, you can use this shipping calculator, and you can figure out exactly based on the weight, the package type, and the dimensions how much this will cost. And then you tell them the handling time and exactly what medium you're going to be using, and just you set all this up, and then you include this in your description as well, and let them know exactly how it's going to be. Full disclosure. And then also remember that you're going to have your own costs as well, as far as going and packaging it at USPS or wherever you're going to ship it, and you want to take all those costs and you want to be tracking those as well and comparing those to your bottom line. And then finally, you want to come down here and just choose your method of payment. If it's PayPal, just put your PayPal email address in. Also, check this box, block bids from buyers who may make transactions more difficult or expensive. You can click here and see exactly what they're talking about. Basically, if those people have a feedback score of -1 or less, 2 unpaid item strikes, they don't have a PayPal account. So eBay makes it very easy to kind of help you avoid those types of buyers. And then you just click Save and Preview, and it'll show you your actual bid there. Okay, I'm not actually going to do that since we're not actually selling this camera that I don't have. But that's pretty much the full process. We've written our title and description, selected our picture, set the price, put the shipping cost in, and decide how you like to get paid. And that's basically it. It's very simple. Okay, so we'll see you in the next video. We're going to talk about how to build your reputation in eBay as a new seller.